Event attachments allow people using Google Calendar to attach meeting notes, presentations, or any other relevant files from Google Drive to events and make them available for all event attendees. What was once a Calendar Lab feature, event attachments, are now fully launching in Google Calendar Web by default. The Add Attachment link will appear in all Google Calendar events moving forward, except for those domains whose admins have disabled Google Drive. Drive will also start checking if all event invitees have access to attached files, and if not, ask if you'd like to grant them access, saving the hassle of sharing each attached document with every attendee. Let's go ahead and have a look at this. So we're in our calendar view here. We're going to go to Create. What was once a lab that you had to add, you'll notice that down in the middle here where it says Attachment is now automatically added. So if I go ahead and create an attachment here, I can select things from my Google Drive, and now I can go ahead and add a guest. We'll create a staff meeting here. If I click another attachment, I can upload something. I'm just going to go to my folder here on my desktop and drag and drop a file into our area here. We'll just add an Excel file. And now we can go ahead and send this off. So I'm going to click on Save. I'm going to invite external guests. And here's the pop-up that we mentioned earlier. These Drive files aren't shared with the guest, so we can go ahead and allow them to have that access. Notice how we have anyone with a link, but it also gives us a pull-down menu where we can go ahead and give edit access if we'd like to. If not, we can go ahead and click on More Options. Otherwise, in the lower right-hand corner of the box, we can save without sharing. In this case, we're going to go ahead and click on Share and Save, and then we can go ahead and send the invitation out. So you'll see we now have our meeting on our calendar. If I click into this and look at the Edit Event, here's our Drive files that we have added as attachments, and we don't have to enable that through our labs as we had to before. So it will appear for everybody. In addition to this release, developers can now add Drive files to Google Calendar events created through the Calendar API as well. So once again, just going back out here, if you do want to add an attachment to an event that you're creating, you no longer have to enable the lab. For those people that had the lab enabled already, you'll just see the same thing that you've been normally seeing, which is that Add Attachment feature.